Introducing the Finish Max Fine Finish Sprayer by HomeRight. The Finish Max is designed to allow you to transform your painting projects into works of art. Furniture, cabinets, whatever you need to paint, the Finish Max is the perfect tool to update, upcycle, or repurpose your projects. Once you've added your paint to the cup and given a securing twist, you're ready to start. No need for compressors or any extra equipment. The Finish Max is a self-contained spraying machine. Easy to use, the hardest part will be finding that perfect color. The nozzle has 3 adjustments, so you can get paint where you want it and how you want it. Just twist the nozzle and it clicks into position for spraying vertical. Another twist and click for spraying horizontal. The flow control lets you tell the Finish Max how much and how fast you want to paint. Quickly, you'll be putting on perfect coats of paint with ease. You'll be pleased with the results of a smooth, factory-like paint application without ugly brush or roller marks. The Finish Max can spray Chalk-Tite paint, milk paint, latex and enamels, stains, polys, varnish, just about any kind of paint you want to spray. You can customize your projects with striking, eye-catching results. Cleanup is easy and only takes a few minutes. Just rinse the cup out and fill with water, then spray as you would until it runs clear. And there's an optional rapid clean adapter, which makes cleanup even faster and easier. HomeRight even has you covered with the optional spray shelters. Designed for large or small projects, the spray shelters help to control overspray while offering some protection for your freshly painted piece.